Hello friends, today we are going to learn and write how to make sentences. So let's start. Number 1, read. He hates reading a story. Number 2, enjoy. Rishi hates enjoying the swim. Number 3, aim. Ram aims to be a teacher. Number 4, pass. They passed the class at the college. Fifth, knit. Ram was knitting a sweater. Sixth, attend. Sita attends dance class. Number 7th, watch. They watch movies. Number 8, write. Ram writes poems. Ninth, complete. I have completed my homework. Number 10, pass. I will pass the test this time. Thanks for watching.